So this is the Bissell powerforce helix turbo, older version, like older model. This model number is 68C71. It's missing the attachments, but I don't care. It doesn't, well, it has powerful suction, but not as powerful as Shark, like the red one I did in yesterday's video, or the gray one, or the light gray one. But I'm gonna be vacuuming this popcorn mess that me and my sister Felicity made when we were playing Minecraft on the Xbox while eating popcorn. So we're gonna start vacuuming. There's the power switch in the back, which also these aren't sold anymore. You can only get them off the marketplace. So yeah. Just pull it back, then pull this up, and then just turn it on. So the vacuum was kicked in pieces like in front. As you can see, it was like going like that and forward. And now I'm going to be vacuuming over here. So here we go. Never clean the HEPA filter with water because it makes it not work. I didn't do it, but I did when I was younger in the basement. So never do it. So stay tuned for more.